Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alveychain. Now the Alveychain right now is doing amazing on CoinMarketCap. It's up about 120% today. It's sitting at about 13.3 cents per token. Ticker symbol is WALV. This token is doing so well that I just saw another token called Baby WALV get listed in the Launchpad list on Pig Sale, so people are even copying this token right now. So yeah, Alveychain's the name of the token. WALV is the ticker symbol. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap a few days ago, just a little bit under a week ago maybe. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token, the Alveychain. So alveychain.com is their official webpage. They do have a full white paper listed here on CoinMarketCap, as well as their webpage. They also have a BSC scan, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, GitHub, price chart, contract address. All of that is available on CoinMarketCap. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the Alveychain token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on their BSC scan, white paper, or web page. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. So according to their BSC scan here, it says they have 6,805 holders so far, so a decent amount of holders. 135,000 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 160 million tokens. So yeah, you can find information on their webpage or their white paper. You know, their white paper is going to have more information. It is 34 pages long, so it's a very extensive white paper. Lots of abstract, like niche information on the white paper there. But yeah, most of the stuff's going to be on their webpage here too as well, just in short form. So you can find a community section which gives you links to Twitter, Telegram, Discord, GitHub, and Oculus. Then they have a test section where you can click on that, and then they have, which takes you over to the Alley scan, because obviously this is working on the Alvey blockchain here. So right now it looks like you can buy the Binance Smart Chain token, and then they're working on their own chain here, and you can click on test, and it'll take you over to their block explorer. So then they have an about section. They have a buy now button on their page that'll take you to PancakeSwap. They have a pitch section. They have a DEX, so they have their own DEX here called the alveyswap.app. It'll take you over there. And they have a validator section on here. So the Alvey blockchain, the future starts now. We introduce you to the world's first VR multiverse exchange. It says 7,200 transactions per second, 3,000 total transactions. Average cost per transaction, and it's in the decimal places, like decimal 0.0000021 cents, and 30 validator nodes so far. It says join the fastest and most decentralized ecosystem. Alveycoin is a decentralized blockchain project built on Bitcoin's UTXO model with support for Ethereum virtual machine-based smart contracts and secured by proof-of-stake consensus. So they have the ACC wallet here. It says It implements a full node and is capable of storing, validating, and distributing all history of the Alveychain. ACC is considered the reference implementation for the Alveycoin network. Also, the Alvey Metaverse. Explore the wondrous forest of the elves, filled with many great rewards. Nourish your thirst for magic. Traverse and participate in airdrops from our dApps. Collect NFTs and much more. We make trading fun. We are building the first virtual reality exchange in the world. And it shows you like a cartoon picture of what it would look like. So then we have dApps in development, a fast-growing ecosystem that powers the next generation of dApps. From games to DeFi to Web3 to VR, our blockchain provides the best conditions to make them thrive to their truest potential. Also, Android and iOS wallets for storing, staking, and earning rewards. Safe, easy, and to use with the first quick access dApp and NFTs. Credit card integration will provide secure and effortless access to your crypto and fiat currencies. They also have a full roadmap on their webpage here. So stage 1 starts with research, blockchain creation, Windows, Linux wallet, Explorer nodes. Stage 2 is ICO, global marketing, central exchange listings, Android and iOS wallet. Stage 3, credit card integration, dApps, development, setting up foundation, Alley Forest, Metaverse. Stage 4 is going to be multi-chain trading and staking, sponsorship and partnership, NFT marketplace, release VR exchange, and stage 5 is upgrade to L2. So they do have Twitter links to 4 of their team members. They're not actually doxed on the page. It just has elf pictures, and then it's got these fake names, but maybe you can see what they look like on their Twitter. I'm not sure. You can reach out to them at least on their Twitters individually. So they're partners with Pioneer, Binance Smart Chain, and Pink Sale. It says, Elvish noble friend, diminutive of Alvin, wise friend, from the Old English, Aethawine and Eefwine, both meaning noble friend. In both realms, Alvey is marked by nobility and true friendship. We believe that Alvey has the ability to bring people together and gild them onto the path of harmonious and successful achievements. It is a spiritual belief that destiny is written in a person's name. So that's where the name Alvey comes from, in case you were wondering. And at the bottom of the page, they have a link to their GitHub, Gitbook, Press, Discord, Telegram, and full link tree. So check all that out, alveychain.com. This token's doing amazing today. Right now it's up 137.63%. When I opened my CoinMarketCap page this morning, it showed that I think it was only up 50 to 70% around there, and then now all of a sudden it's up 137%. So just out of nowhere today, this token's doing amazing. So go check it out. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.